For your health now, a 9-year-old in Fishers could be at the center of the next breakthrough in diabetes treatment.
He's taken a new drug that could delay type 1 diabetes by 2 years. CBS 4's Scarlett O'Hara sat down with his family to talk about his hopeful future.
Insulin was discovered a century ago, and since then, all people with diabetes could do is manage the disease. But experts say today things are looking up, especially for one Indiana 9-year-old. Colin Ozdemir is in stage 2 of type 1 diabetes. He doesn't have any symptoms yet, but without a new immunotherapy drug, his mother Kelly believes he would have been fully dependent on insulin within a year.
We know it is going to progress for him, so if we can delay it, we're going to do anything we can.
Colin spent 14 days going to the hospital this summer, receiving an infusion of teplizumab.
I was trying to sleep a lot, and they kept waking me up to take my blood pressure and switch the medicine.
But those 2 weeks of discomfort could have bought him years before needing to worry about taking insulin.
There's been advances in technology and insulins, but this is the first to really change the course of disease.
And Colin is the first child in the state to get it. His father was skeptical at first, but now he's optimistic.
Buying Colin 5 years from now, I mean, you're talking like he's probably going to have there's going to be a cure in his lifetime. There's certainly a cure within reach. We can see it.
Colin was screened in the first place because 2 of his older sisters have diabetes, both of whom are on insulin pumps and need to regularly monitor their levels. Were you scared that you were going to have to do the same thing?
Yeah.
All of the things that the girls have to worry about every minute of the day, he doesn't have to think about yet, and he can progress for hopefully several years and really have that childhood that I feel like was kind of taken away from Ella and Kate.
Riley pediatric endocrinologist Jamie Felton says the onset of diabetes has been delayed by a median of 5 years across patients. The first trials began in 2010, and she says some of the original patients still haven't developed the disease.
We can't say that's the norm or what most people experience, but I think it's possible.
The family says the message in all of this is to have your kids screened if they have any risk factors for diabetes. You might be able to slow it down. Reporting in the newsroom, Scarlett O'Hara, CBS 4 News.